What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks and financial institutions, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If that's something you like to listen to, then we welcome you to subscribe. Otherwise, you can support our channel if you just like, share, or even comment down below. It helps our content get out to a wider audience, and we greatly appreciate the support. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to get the latest alerts on all the content and videos that we drop here on the Credit Plug channel. So for today's video, I have a special review. Now, this is a game changer. So just today, there was an announcement of a new credit card that's about to hit the market. So this particular credit card is called the X1 credit card, and it's backed by a fintech company called Thrive. Now, what's really interesting about this particular credit card is the fact that it's based off of your income, your future in current income versus your credit score. So they're evaluating how much income you earn versus your credit score. And one of the reasons why this particular card came to existence is because there's a big gap in traditional credit cards that just basically look at your credit score and kind of base the limit off of that, not taking into account, if you get a new job or if you get a promotion or if your income just increases overall. That's not going to be reflective with particular credit card issuers because they're only really collecting your income on the front end. And usually with major companies, that's going to be stated income. And, you can update it, but, it's really not going to play a part in the decision after you've gotten the card. So this particular card is interesting because there's automatic credit limit increases based on, increases in your income. So that's a great thing. And another good feature about this card is that the limits can be up to 5 times higher than traditional credit card limits. I'm going to post a link in the description if anyone's interested in joining the wait list. Some other great features about this particular card. You get 2x points for every dollar you spend. There's a 2% balance transfer fee with APRs from 12.9% to 19.9%. And also, after you spent $15,000, you can activate the 3x points for every dollar spent. So if you spend over 15,000, you'll just get that 3x for the entire year. So, and also one of the other features I forgot to mention, this is a metal titanium card. You could use it for Apple or Google Pay. And so I'm going to jump over to their website just to show you some of the features and functionality. So I'll see you right over there. Hey, so here we are on the X1 credit card website. So here you see the smartest credit card ever made, designed for a new generation of cardholders. If you click here, you can join the wait list. But I will post a link in the description so you can join the wait list. So a couple things, 17 grams of pure stainless steel. So this is actually comparable to, I don't know, maybe like an Amex Platinum or something like that. I think that's, might be as heavy as that. Uh, as you see here, 2, 3, and 4x points on every purchase, higher limits and zero annual fee. Then here, some other features. You can end free trials automatically with auto expiring virtual cards. This is another great feature that a lot of fintechs are offering, these virtual cards, so you can control your spending, um, cancel subscription payments in one click. I think that's a great option to have because I know personally sometimes, for example, I just canceled my gym membership during COVID and I was still getting billed for it because I couldn't cancel it. So this is definitely a good feature. Let's click here to see what some of the other features are. As I mentioned, create virtual cards for one-time use, get instant notifications on refunds, and attach receipts to purchases. So far, so good. And then, as I was mentioning, this is based on your current and future income, right? So X1 card offers credit limits up to 5 times higher than traditional cards. Higher limits means you can spend the same amount with lower utilization, which can boost your credit score. So they're providing you with these higher limits so that when you do use your card, you're not going to get penalized in terms of your utilization because you you have a higher amount to work with. So whatever you do spend, assuming you're not maxing out your credit card, right? So this is a great feature, and increase automatically. So there's auto increases on the credit limits. In terms of the points, right? 2x points on every dollar spent. When you spend 15,000 or more in a year, earn 3x points on that for the entire year. So that's a really good option. Um, Unlock 30 days of 4x. So each person, so when you sign up, you'll get a referral link. Each person that signs up, the both of you will get 4x points for a month for each person that you invite. So if you invite 12 people and they all sign up and get approved, then you'd have a year of 4x points, which is pretty cool with no annual fee. Unlimited points never expire. Here they just basically have so under 15 you're only earning the 2x points, over 15 you're earning 3x points, and so on and so forth. And they kind of give you an example of like how much these points would be worth. So 90,000 points would be worth $900. So that's pretty cool. And then these are all the different retailers that you could redeem these points at. Apple, Airbnb, Etsy, Delta, Nike, so on and so forth. So, and then in terms of the interest rate, 12.9 to 19.9 APR. So, and then a 2% balance transfer fee, which isn't, too bad either. And it says unbox yours winter 2020. So as I mentioned, there's a wait list. So this card isn't going to be available until later in the year. I mean, we're already in the end of September, going into October. So this will be here before you know it. So if anyone's interested in joining the waitlist, I'll have a link in the description of the video so you can check this out. But yeah, this definitely seems to be a great card. So let me know what your thoughts and opinions are on the X1 credit card. Until next time, y'all take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.